Hey people, so this is a unique product that we just tried out. It is called Nabhi oil, like Surabhit Nabhi Telam, which improves digestion, good for skin, hair growth, calms your mind, and improves reproductive health. So it is called belly button oil. You can get it for $200 on Instagram. No, not Instagram, on Amazon. And my child and me, both of us tried it out. We applied some, and I it gives you a weird tingly sensation.
Very weird.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be good for health. So, but Ayush, do you see yourself trying it out every day?
No.
Yeah, same for me also. It'll need a little bit of willpower.
It seeps into your belly button.
Yeah, but I happen to read that apparently the belly button is the 72,000 nadis in the body crisscross at the belly button, such that, like, that's how a baby is sustained, right? A fetus is sustained for 9 months inside the mother's tummy. So our belly button is inherently very powerful. So that's why you have this Surabhit Nabhi Telam, and I always have this thing of introducing new products on my channel. So yeah, so I'm so glad we tried it out. They give us with this dropper, and then we tried it, and I plan to try it every day to see if there's really improvement in all of this, which is your skin, digestion, and hair growth. So yeah, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.